Have you ever noticed that the market seems to know exactly where your stop loss is? Or have you ever placed a 1-minute trade, watched it stay in profit for 58 seconds, and then violently spike in the opposite direction at the exact millisecond your trade expires? It feels like the broker is watching your screen, right? Well, they are not watching you specifically. They are watching the liquidity. They know exactly where the masses of retail traders are placing their trades, and their algorithms are designed to sweep those exact zones. You are losing because you are trading exactly where they want you to trade. Today, we are going to step entirely out of their crosshairs. But before I show you how to exploit the ultimate algorithmic blind spot, we need to talk about the massive capital giveaway. On the first of every single month, I am funding the accounts of my most dedicated viewers, but you cannot just ask for it. The entry process is completely automated by our backend system now. To qualify and get your name on that verified list, you must do 5 things. You need to like this video, leave a comment below telling me your biggest trading frustration, subscribe to the channel, watch this entire video from start to finish without skipping, and join our community Telegram group. If you complete all those steps, the system automatically verifies you for the giveaway on the first of the month. Do not miss this chance to trade with house money. Welcome back to the channel. If you are constantly searching for a Quotex trading strategy or typing how to win almost every trade in Quotex into the search bar, you are probably getting the exact same recycled advice. Every guru out there tells you to trade the 1-minute chart. They tell you to use a binary options trading strategy 1-minute setup because it is supposedly the industry standard. Let's have a real conversation about timeframes, because this is where 90% of you are draining your accounts. A lot of beginners get impatient and try to scalp using the 5 seconds time frame. Listen to me carefully. Stop trading the 5 seconds chart immediately. It is pure gambling. The market is far too volatile at that micro level. One tiny tick in banking volume will send a 5 seconds candle flying in the opposite direction. You are just flipping a coin. On the other end of the spectrum, you have the 1-minute time frame. The problem here is that the 1-minute chart is the most crowded space in binary options. Because everyone trades it, the broker's OTC algorithms are specifically designed to manipulate those 1-minute candles. They know exactly where the expiration is, and they will create fake breakouts to trap you. That is the real Quotex market trap exposed. So if 5 seconds is too volatile and 1 minute is heavily manipulated, what is the solution? The answer is the 15 seconds time frame. It is the ultimate algorithmic blind spot. It is fast enough that you do not get caught in long-term reversals, but it provides just enough time to escape the extreme micro volatility that destroys the 5 seconds traders. The OTC algorithms do not target the 15 seconds charts nearly as aggressively, because the retail volume just isn't there. But you cannot just guess your entries on a 15 seconds chart. It requires extreme mathematical precision. That is why I use a highly advanced Telegram bot to do the heavy lifting for me. To get access to this exact algorithmic bot, you need to go to my channel bio or look at the pinned comment right below this video. I have placed the official, secure link in both of those places. Do not search for it randomly to avoid fakes. Just go to the bio or the pinned comment, click the link, and open it in Telegram. Here is the exact workflow you need to follow today. Step 1. Open your Quotex platform and find an asset that is paying out at least 80%. Whether it is a live Forex pair like EUR/USD or a weekend OTC pair, the bot can read both. Step 2. Select that pair inside the Telegram bot menu. Step 3, and this is the absolute most important part of this entire video, when the bot asks for your time frame, you must select the 15 seconds option. Do not choose 1 minute. Do not choose 5 seconds. Lock in the 15 seconds option. Step 4. Wait for the algorithmic signal. The bot will instantly analyze the volume delta and momentum shifts. In a fraction of a second, it will send you a clear message stating the pair, the 15 seconds expiration, and whether to execute a call for up or a put for down.